Today I'll guide you through the process of hiding and recovering Instagram highlights. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And there you will see all your existing highlights. Now tap on your highlights and click on the three dots available there. And you can see there is no option available as in hide highlights. So you need to simply remove the photos from the highlights. So remove from highlights. Then it is completely removed from your highlight. You can see there is no existence of this photo. And to recover your highlight back, you can simply click on edit highlights and click on stories. Here you can see the photos uploaded and you can click on the photo again and click on done. And here is it. You have that highlights photo back again. You can also hide your highlight from a specific person. First, go to your story and click on more and click on story settings. There you can see hide story from, click on it, and there are various options available of your friends and your followers. You can press any one of them and they won't be able to see your highlights, neither your story. And that is it. You have successfully managed your Instagram highlights by hiding and recovering them as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.